Hey guys, during the creation of this video, I meant a few days ago, or maybe a week ago or something, the Angry Video Game Cinemassacre released episode 162 of the Angry Video Game Nerd, titled the Amiga cd32 review. And you might be asking, why am I just talking about a particular YouTube video? Well, at the end, after the nerd throws the Amiga cd32 in the trash and forgot to throw Zool, the last game he reviewed on the cd32, he read something that's actually pretty interesting. It says, do not play track 1 on any CD player. Before I heard this track on YouTube, I would likely ask my mom to buy Zool for the Amiga cd32, but not the console. Not the console. No, so I could play track 1. Now, want to hear it? You've been absolutely warned. You want me to play the track? You really got messed up. Here's the track. So this is going to be a reaction video to this track. What? This is track 1 from the PAL version of the game Zool for the Amiga cd32. The Amiga cd32 was a bad console by Commodore that once ruled the computer industry. Now that I think about it, Zool is also on Atari Jaguar. What? Warning to everyone with headphones. I'm not wearing headphones. So this warning is obviously not for me. Stupid idiots. Listen to this on my CD player. This is actually coming from the actual YouTube video, not my CD player. Thank God. Let's listen to the other tracks. I'm not going to listen to all of them. Good thing track 1 is removed.